over here somewhere. Anyways.
Cause when your drawers hit your ankles, I untape the shank out my sock and take your bank.
Splash. Whoa.
Doinks!
So today we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. And Caitlin's looking at me. So this is our friend Alexis. And so
We just made our lattes. They're really good.
we drink coffee a lot.
You looking kinda cute. Hey. In that polka dot bikini, girl. Hey. This is what I wanna do. What? Take off that polka dot bikini, girl. Drink all day, play all night.
Safety first.
Oh, I need
guys.
gas.
So guys, I just thought that I would update you. Caitlin's getting gas and there's some creepy people at the gas station. Tractor!
Go in my chest, I got millions on my mind, and you didn't fit the picture, so I guess you want the vibe. I've been rolling on the freeway, I've been riding 85, I've been thinking way too much, and I'm way too gonna drive. I got anger in my chest, I got millions on my mind, and you.
So we just went to the pantry to get interviewed for a job.
I like that laugh.
Hi guys,
We're at the promenade right now,
we're going to check out some job applications that we filled out earlier.
and I'm gonna send my mom pictures of clothes I want.
Yeah, because that's just what we do
We don't
around
have
here.
any money.
Around here in Little Rock. Counting up blue guap. Baby, call me Remo. It's kind of awkward whenever you're vlogging and then there's a person just kind of staring at you. But
Ice cream right now.
yeah, we just got back from a long, strenuous journey at anthropology.
We had to wait for my mom because she works there, so that she could buy the things and get them for cheaper. We're tired.
We're very tired.
I got these sunglasses.
Immediately asked me, how can she so chill? She's not like any other cat I've met.
I got some jeans and a tank top. I'll show you.
She's gonna show you the haul.
I got these jeans. They're like this.
Nice and blue. That's what those
They have a
are.
rip in one knee. Nothing really special about them.
Yeah. She did fall in them, that's why they have a rip.
Oh yeah, got ran over by a lawnmower. I got this tank top. It's gray.
Hi everybody, I'm back alone because Caitlin's at dinner with her family and I just had, whoa. Anyways, I just had basically an olive oil tasting for a job. So that was kind of interesting. She told me a bunch of stuff about olive oil that I couldn't give two less shits about. Basically, that's what happened for an hour and 30 minutes.
You, as you were for me, to worry about fruities and truths, till I find out all of the shorties with cooties was cute, and realize what booties could do. We gon' get it poppin', we gon' get it jukin', we gon' throw a party, and we ain't gotta do shit. You came with your best friend, came up for the weekend, all that was at your party, so tell me what you think. And so we gon' have a
Good night, vlog.